I'm Craig Johnson. I'm the director, and I also wrote the adaptation for Theater in the Round's production of The Seagull. One of the reasons that I like doing old plays and classic plays like this is I'm always interested to do the excavation and try to discover what it is about this old work that still resonates for us. And in The Seagull, it's largely about people who are involved in the arts.
Nina she's very young. She's kind of the girl next door, and she gets kind of tangled up in these little love triangles, and she's really blinded by love. She has very good intentions and she wants to be an actress, but she's very young and she makes some mistakes along the way.
Boris Trigorin is a young-ish, very successful author of novels who's kind of, come into this play, this story as the kind of fish out of water, sort of the one person that doesn't know everybody else in this house.
Everyone should come and see The Seagull because it is a timeless story from a very old Russian author, and I don't think a lot of people here in Minneapolis really know Chekhov that well, and this is a very faithful and fresh adaptation of it.
We are really, I think, breathing a lot of life into The Seagull and bringing out what was already there. So it's a lot more sort of fun and joyful and funny at parts.
It's naturally just funny, humorous, and ironic, but we can also look at it and say, yeah, this is The Seagull, this is Chekhov, and it has all of the values that the original work has. The Seagull runs at the Theater in the Round for 4 weekends, starting January 12th through February 4th.